Imagine waking up and your portfolio paid you while you slept, not someday, today. That is what happens when your money starts working harder than you do. Robert Kiyosaki said, "Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow." If you wait, nothing changes. If you act, everything can. Today is the day you stop only watching the market and start collecting premium from it. You can sell options on quality stocks you already believe in. You can choose strike prices that fit your risk. You can turn quiet sideways markets into weekly or monthly cash flow. Right now, you are either scrolling or building. Every option contract you sell is a tiny vote for your future freedom. When you sell premium on strong companies, you stack cash flow, experience, and confidence. You learn how to manage risk instead of fear it. You let time decay work for you instead of against you. The market opens with or without you. Decide that you are not just a spectator. You are the one getting paid. Your future is not built in some distant someday. It is built in the option chain you open today. Start small, stay disciplined, sell smart premium, and let your future self say thank you. Like this video, hit subscribe, and join our Discord community by clicking the bio or heading to techhedgepivot.com.